Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Udemy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Udemy. If you want to start learning new skills online, then Udemy offers thousands of courses on everything from coding to photography. So here is how you can easily create your free account. First of all, open up the Udemy application on your smartphone, and from the home page, tap on Account at the bottom right. Now click on Sign In. On the next page, to create a new account, tap on the Sign Up button at the bottom and select the Sign Up options. You can choose Google, Facebook, or Apple option. If you want to sign up with email, tap on the Sign Up button in purple at the top and then enter your full name and then your email address you have an access to. After you are done typing it down, click on Continue. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your 6-digit long character code. Open up your email inbox. You'll receive an email from Udemy. Click it open and copy the code inside it. Get back to the Udemy app and paste in the code in the text box. Now click on Sign Up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Udemy. Answer some of the questions to improve your content recommendations and you'll be good to go. Once you're inside the home page, you can browse courses by category, check ratings, and start learning at your own pace. And that's it. You have now access to Udemy's library of thousands of online courses. Take your time exploring and happy learning.